In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove address in email footer, constant contact. If you want to update the address information that appears in your email footer, Constant Contact manages that through your account settings. This means you will not usually remove it by editing a single email. Instead, you will go into your account details and change the business address information that is being used. To begin, log into your Constant Contact account. Make sure you are fully signed in and on your main dashboard before moving to the next part. If the page is still loading, give it a moment so all menu options appear correctly. Once you are inside your account, look to the upper right corner of the screen. You will see the profile icon there. Click on that icon to open the account menu. This menu gives you access to several account-level options, including the settings area where your business details are stored. From the menu, select Setting. This will take you to the part of Constant Contact where you can manage important account information. If you do not see the exact option right away, just stay focused on the settings area connected to your profile and account configuration. After that, click the Account Details tab. This section is where your business information is listed, including the address details connected to your email footer. Since footer information is often pulled automatically from your account profile, this is the right place to make changes when you want to remove or replace what appears there. Now update the alternate business address or the related business details shown in this section. If your goal is to stop showing one address, you can replace it with the correct alternate address information that you want associated with the account. Be careful while editing and review each field before saving so the information is accurate and complete. Once you have finished making your changes, click Save. This confirms the update and applies the new account details. After saving, it is a good idea to double-check your email settings or preview future emails to make sure the footer reflects the updated information correctly. That covers everything you need to know.